Good morning and welcome back to our project here at Cliftonville Road, just opposite Botanic Garden. You can see this is a third of our current period buildings which we are currently working on at the moment. The whole front of the building needed new pointing of brickwork and also the full replacement of the existing roof. You can clearly see the difference between the neighbours and the new roof space there. The attic was pre-converted. We'll have a look at that inside in more detail. So the skylights and other services we had to work around. Again, the front garden, as you walk through here, you can see we used this for set down a materials area. Not a whole lot of space, but with the hoarding and space we had, we've used as best we can. Portaloo on site. New front hall door, which we can have a reveal of soon. Unusual colour, but you can see the pink that Veronica has selected. And that sort of mimics all the way through the design selections throughout the building. So this front reception room, pretty much decoration finishes and a new full underfloor heating throughout the whole building. So all of the timbers were lifted, the ventilated floor system removed, and a full modern insulated floor slab with underfloor heating fitted. Again, we have a new pocket door system. This is a temporary Henderson mechanism system here. So that's just getting ready for the new pocket doors. This will be Veronica's workspace, art studio. Again, we've left a large opening. This became the middle section of the house by default, obviously with the added extension. So we have a skylight at the back. You can see the mock oak beams throughout the opening here, so that will allow some light back into this workspace, and obviously some glazing within the pocket doors will bring more light into this work area. So now we're up at the attic level. This is the dormer window, and obviously we have the ensuite here on the right hand side. The crew are at plaster and decoration stage, some second fix electrics and plumbing. This was an original attic space which we restructured and redecorated. The original roof was fully replaced, timbers, insulation, slates, which we've had a look at outside. Some services, we've airtight this membrane, all of our plumbing services in here. Some storage space. The attic has great head clearance, over 2 meters. Also got a new bedroom window and new stairs, bringing us back down to the landing area. So we'll have a look at the lower levels and we'll walk you through that also. Stairs is currently protected, but this stairs winds down to the low level and it fully matches the original. So again, we have mid landing, box bedroom. We have the front reception room and bay window. You'll see from the original photographs the bad condition that the lintels were in, the original brickwork. Being a period home, we'd expected a lot of that. Restructuring the floors and re-insulating, doing the air tightness and jams, sealing, all of that. We kept the original windows, but we just fitted some more spray foam insulation, air tightness membranes. We blocked up the original fire breasts and chimney, so plaster decoration. We have some shelving and wardrobe going in there. This was the original bath. It was hoped to reinstate it. The homeowner had hoped to repaint it, but it was just in too much of a bad condition, so she may keep it or sell it, I'm not too sure, but extremely heavy. You can see the new bath here, it's very similar to it. That's going into the main bathroom. You can see the new Tex triple glazed window and the full flat roof and pitch roof junction. Just right in front of us here we have, obviously the ice is covering it here, but this is a large flat roof window, and we have the zinc metal flashing on the right hand side, and we have the traditional Velux window and slate down on your right. It was extremely difficult for the carpenters to build all of that and combine it all together. Some of the junctions are pretty tricky, so well done to the Nuhaus crew on site. Again, you can see the parapets and the falls on the rainwater and fiberglass pitches and angles on the firing pieces there, bringing all of that to the rainwater outlets. We'll have a look at that in more detail at the back garden, but that gives you a good shot of the overview of it. Coming around then to the main bathroom level, the plumbers are fitting shower doors and some of the fixtures now. We fitted that with a new Velux window, skylight, and a standard window at the side. On your left hand side then we have a hidden shower, walk-in shower area. Rain dancer head is in place. As you can see the beautiful tile patterns that Veronica, our client, has selected. She played a big part in the interior decor and assisted our team and with the interior decor finishes. I think finishes are beautiful here. See the high ceiling, we have a bath, a really good, comfortable family bathroom, and the before and after images you can see the big transformation difference. So let's have a look back downstairs. So below the stairs we have storage and we have a closet toilet off the hallway. And here then we have the big transformation into the new extension area. There was an original glass extension and old flat roof and part original extension here, which we've fully removed, restructured. You can see from the original photos the amount of steel and structure that went into that. Right back into the middle section here, you can see the columns are encased and fire protected. And above my head here we have the bathroom level, and to the left we have the full open plan skylight. So this is the built-in pantry and utility by Cube. Full bespoke storage, pull-out storage, and we have the mirror front just to give the illusion of more space. The guys are still working at it at the moment, but you can see when that's closed over, makes a big difference to the room also. That runs all the way down to the right hand side with your kitchen and island here. Again, countertops will be coming in the next couple of weeks. And the big feature here obviously is the bespoke box window, which is projecting, and it has that angle on it. As you can see here how the carpenters have built that to the Plantech design team requirements. It was tricky. Cubo Windows provided that for us, but you can see obviously it's frosted up today. It's -3 out there today, so unfortunately a lot of the glazing in the skylights and the back sliders and box windows, you can't really get the full benefit of the natural view and light. But we'll have a look at it in the next episode. You can see it. But this is a great feature. We obviously have the large skylight built into the slate roof above here. Moving around to the right, then we have the triple glazed Bluetex windows. You can see here the doors are almost 3 meters in height, pretty non-standard. That opens back up onto the outside patio. Originally we had some lawn space, some old boundary wall and bushes and so on. So the new cedar cladding here, screening, makes a huge difference, and it ties in with the architect's plans of cedar cladding on the extension and also on the overhang of metal. And you can see the attic space there between the landing window also has cedar cladding. So lots of angles, lots of modern architectural detailing in the windows, in the building design, and also with the attic dormer being fully renovated with metal and wood. It ties in to the low levels. Probably see some of the older extensions, typical extensions in the area, which will be tile or flat roof or torch and felt flat roof. This is a full modernisation of new extension renovation space onto a period building. So it's a great case study for us here of what's possible on a period house and what you can expect from a full renovation. The next episode here we'll have a look at the kitchen finishes. We'll have more painting and decorating. It's pretty much ready for furniture and for our clients to move into, and we can have a proper walk through with the site clear and get a better space, a better feel of the space all the way through the building. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for joining us and see you soon. Don't forget to check out our social media platforms, Nuhaus, Plantech, we design and build. Thanks a lot.